Coming up on the show, we take you inside the manufacturing facility of Tata Motors in Dharwad and bring you a sneak peek of the production line of the Tata-MARCOPOLO buses and Tata Ace Zip LCV. We bring you the details of the jury selection process of the CNB Awards and how the winners fared in each category. Also, we bring you the finalists of the World Car Awards. Hello and welcome to CNB Bazaar Buzz. This week, we come to you from Tata Motors Manufacturing in Dharwad that makes buses and light commercial vehicles. We will show you the entire bus building process and some of the new products that is lined up. So let's go take a look at the bus manufacturing facility where Tata has a joint venture with MARCOPOLO to produce buses. Unlike the heavy truck segment in the Indian commercial vehicle market, which had a bad run in the last 2 years, the bus segment has managed to hold its own. Tata Motors is forecasting a growth rate of 8% over the next 3 years in the buses segment and is ramping up its Dharwad manufacturing facility to meet the future demand. The Dharwad facility is operated by Tata MARCOPOLO as a bus and coach manufacturing facility with an installed capacity of 15,000 buses per annum. We got a chance to look at the entire bodybuilding process of the Tata MARCOPOLO buses, right from the rigorous testing of various components to the paint job process. The bus manufacturing does look quite fascinating. The buses are also tested on a 350-kilometer actual road stretch near the plant to check the reliability of the vehicle. This facility can produce any bus ranging from a 12-seater bus to a 72-seater bus and does leverage the Brazil-based MARCOPOLO tie-up for expertise in bodybuilding techniques.
Actually, we bring all the bodybuilding technology from MARCOPOLO. So the chassis technology is sourced from Tata Motors, as in one of the parents, and the entire bodybuilding technology we source from them. So the entire designing, including styling, we do with the help of MARCOPOLO. We provide all the market inputs from here. There are teams that visit from MARCOPOLO Brazil. We take them around. So all the knowledge that is gathered there in MARCOPOLO, we give them the actual feel of the market. Then the joint teams work, keep traveling also between the two facilities in Brazil as well as here. And then the product is evolved. The entire process, as in how the bus will be made, what will be the sequence of putting things together, all that is drawn with the help of MARCOPOLO, with their knowledge of how they have configured a similar product there. Most of the technology which we adopt here is we try to source it back from some or the other offering that MARCOPOLO has already made, tested there, and it is available as a bus to be sold in the international markets. So that's how we source all those things, both in terms of design, process, and the engineering capability. We also take help in developing certain vendors. Some of our vendors also, after the development process is complete, some of them also endeavor to supply to MARCOPOLO, and there is some sourcing that happens from vendors from this place into Brazil also.
State governments are a big target customer for bus makers, and so under the JNN URM2 scheme, Tata MARCOPOLO has bagged orders for nearly 3,500 buses to be supplied. The company showcased all the buses that have been designed to meet urban transport needs like passenger safety and smarter technology on board. Tata MARCOPOLO is also looking to enter the luxury bus market currently dominated by Volvo and showcase the new Magna range of luxury buses. While the company having a strong market share in the mid-range with the Star Bus, the strategy going forward clearly is to target new segments like the economy and luxury bus space.
We have been very successful in the Star Bus range, which addresses the middle of the market, who want a balance of price sensitive as well as performance and premium. Now we are also getting back into the city ride segment, which is the price sensitive segment. We were earlier focusing only on the Star Bus. So with the increased focus on the city ride, we are looking at addressing the price sensitive markets, which is almost half the market. The other end which we are looking at is the premium, where our earlier attempts were not so successful. So the Magna range is aimed at addressing the premium end of the market. It will actually start to blur the space between premium and performance sensitive, We expect to expand the mid segment, the performance sensitive segment, through the Magna as well as the Ultra, which is the new range in the light and intermediate commercial vehicles. The Ultra platform has been extremely successful in the buses we've introduced so far. So we're widening the range of products available on the Ultra platform.
Tata Motors will also run 30 articulated buses in Hubli-Dharwad corridor. There is also a plan to introduce hybrid buses in select states that will have an electric motor that charges its battery and a diesel engine working in sync. Clearly, all eyes will be on this Dharwad facility as it produces those new buses that will help Tata Motors grow this side of the CV business.